This video will show you how to create an external IRB single-site study. Okay, so first step, you log in as yourself as the PI and you go to the IRB tab and then you click on Create New Study. And in the New Study Smart form, in the Basic Study Information, you type the title of the study, and then you add a short title, and then you add a description, a brief description of the study. And in question 4, since this is going to be an external single-site study, so please select the type as single-site study. And in question 5, select yes to confirm that an external IRB is going to be reviewing this research or study. In question 6, the PI, the local PI, is set to yourself, to your name, or the logged in user's name. If you need to change this, you can click the ellipses and you can search for the person by last or first name or both. In question 7, I selected no to confirm that the local PI does not have any financial interest related to this study. And if you need more information, you can click the help icon here. In question 8, you can optionally attach the protocol document. I have one here, so I'm going to attach it. Next, click Continue to move on to the external IRB page. In the external IRB page, if you know the name of the IRB that will be reviewing the study, you can type it. If you don't, click on the ellipses and then you can look by institution name or use other filters. So I'm going to type Colorado between 2% signs and then click Go. Select this value. And I use 2% signs before and after the keywords because this will get you more accurate results. Click OK. And optionally, if you know the external study ID, you can add it here. And if you want to add some reasons why an external IRB office is going to review this study, you can add it here as well. Next, click Continue. Next, in the Study Funding Sources page, click on Add. And you can either type the funding source name or you can click the ellipses and type in the name and click Go. If you need to add more filters, you can click on Advanced and select the filters you want to add. If not, just go back to Basic and select the value you need. Click OK. And if you know the sponsor's funding ID or the grants office ID, you can add them. And if you need to attach supporting documents, you can add them in question 4. Another point to keep in mind, if you have multiple funding sources, you can always add one and then click OK and add another to add the next one. If you are unable to find a funding source, please send an email to gridservicedesk@ucf.edu and the team will help you add the missing source. Next, click Continue to go to the local study team members page. Question 1 is to add any internal/UCF team members who will be part of this study. And in question 2, you can add any external team members who will also be part of this study. So in question 1, click Add. And as an example, I'm going to add myself as a team member. Next, I need to select the role of this team member. In question 3, I need to determine if this team member will be part of the consent process. In question 5, I need to confirm that this team member does not have any financial interest related to this study. Also, in question 5, I select yes, since this team member will have access to different types of data in the study. If you need to add more members, you can click OK and then add another. If not, you can just click OK. If you need to update the roles. For example, for this team member, you can click update here and change the values and then click OK. If you need to remove them, you can click on the X button here. In question 2, to add external team members, click the help icon, and when you click on the form link here, it's going to take you to the IRB tab, Documents Library, and then Templates. And it always helps to note the form number here, so it's easier for you to locate the form and download it. So open this and fill it out, and when you're done, go back to question 2 and click Add. Choose File and upload the document. Click OK. If you want to upload an updated version of this file, you can click the ellipses and then click on Upload Revision. And if you need to delete the file, you can just click on Delete. Next, click Continue to go to the study scope page. In question 1, specify if this study is going to be using an approved drug. And in question 2, you need to determine if this study will be evaluating the safety of a device or a humanitarian use device. Please note, if you select yes in either questions, you will get an extra page here with more information to fill out. So as an example, I'm going to select yes for the approved drug and no for using or evaluating a device. Click Continue to move on to the local research locations. Click Add to add a new research location. In my case, I am going to add Classroom Building 2, so I am searching for a classroom between 2 percent signs, and this is the value I need. If you cannot find the research location you're looking for, you can just add the details here and click OK. Click Continue to go to the drugs page. And in the first question, click Add to add all the drugs that will be used in the study. So for example, I'm going to select this one and I'm going to add another one. And if you cannot find the drug you're looking for, you can type either the generic or the brand names to add them to the form. And if you need to attach any supporting documents, you can do so in question 2. Then click OK. And in question 2, you need to specify if this study is going to be conducted under any IND numbers, and for more information please click the help icon here. And again, if you need to attach supporting documents, you can do so in question 3. Click Continue. In the local site documents, please attach consent forms or recruitment materials that are required by the local UCF site. If you need to add other attachments, click Add and attach your file. In this case, it's a letters of support document. And you have to specify what type of document this is. So in my case, it's going to be letters of support. And then click OK. When you're done, click Continue to go to the last page. In question 1, please select the value that best fits your principal investigator. So in my case, it's a UCF staff. And please note, if you select any of the first 4 values, you will get an extra document uploader to attach the faculty advisor review document. And in order to get this document, please click on the help icon and then click on the document link here. It's going to open the IRB Documents Library, and under Templates you can find the form here or the document and you can download it. Next, if you in question 2, you need to specify if the research is going to be taking place online, and then you need to select the group of human subjects that will be part of your study. So for the last three questions, please note that if you answer yes to any of these questions, you will get a file uploader as well to attach some required documents. So if you selected yes to confirm your study will be affiliated with the Department of Navy, you have to upload the city certifications of your team members for the Department of Navy. In my case, I'm going to select no for these questions and then click continue. In the final page, I'm going to click finish. And in the study workspace, if you are done with your edits, you can click submit. If not, you can go back to the smart form. In my case, I'm going to submit the study. And back to the workspace, you can see that the state updated from pre-submission to pre-review, where the study is sent to the IRB office for review.